Hey everybody, it's Andrew with Offroad here. It's been a while since we posted a video, but I wanted to share with everybody a product that we just installed on the truck. It is a 85 watt solar panel that was mounted to the hood, supplied by Lensun Solar. They were gracious enough to give us a product to test out and use, and so without further ado, let's talk about the product. We're hanging out in North Okanagan in Vernon. We live in the area here, and kind of a heat wave going on right now, but just wanted to get out and take a video and share a bit of a review with the product we just got put on our truck not too long ago. And what a better time to do it than in a heat wave when you're plus 40 degrees Celsius outside. So that's what, over 105-ish I think for our American friends. We actually got the solar panel installed not too long ago, but this weekend was the first time we actually got to put it to use. It is an 85 watt solar panel provided from Lensun Solar. It mounts to the hood. This is a third generation Tacoma design. They have different designs and different applications for many different features. It's from your trucks to RVs to boats and etc. So definitely check them out. Pretty good product. In all, it supplied a lot of our power source over the summer or over the weekend, had no issues whatsoever. We ran a freezer off of it, which draws about 48 to 70 watts per hour to keep the freezer and fridge cool. It kicks in and out quite a bit, but the benefit of having the solar panel is you can run it directly off your battery, and then this will keep your battery charged. So the solar panel itself is, like I said, 85 watts. It directly mounts to the hood of the truck. Now the only thing that we didn't have is it didn't come with two-way tape or a way to like a sticky back to put it on the truck. So we took it to a local graphic shop, Graphic Enterprises, some friends of ours, and they've installed a vinyl first, so we didn't directly apply it to the hood of the paint on the truck. And then they applied the actual adhesive or the two-way tape on top of that, which they secured the panel too. You can see it's pretty easy install, just a matter of getting it straight. The cord goes down underneath the hood, and then it runs to a controller panel, which we have decided to put back here underneath the seat. So you can see it there. That's the controller module. So as you can see, it's charging the battery there right now. And it's an 85 watt panel, but it's drawing in 99 watts of power, which is pretty awesome. And so this controller module helps manage the power feed to the battery so it doesn't overcharge it. So overall, yeah, we like the product. It's a pretty superior product as far as keeping your power supply going. We had no issues with it whatsoever. And we look forward to using more of it in the future when we get our switchback from Super Pacific Canopy Camper on top. We'll have a solar panel set up there, and we'll be probably adding some battery banks so we can provide more power with probably a 2,000 watt inverter to manage all of our power needs while we're off grid and out in the bush. So like I said, top quality product. You can go to our Instagram page, and also in our comments section there is a discount code for 10% off the solar panel. If you're interested, if you have any questions, reach out to us on Instagram or comment below.